So hi, hello there. I am Veiah, and today I want to share with you the updates Canva did recently. And there's a lot of updates actually, as you can see on the screen. You can see there's the whiteboards, there's the presentations, there's the social media, of course, that's Canva, and videos and print materials, print products. You can actually print products that, let's say you created a beautiful design and you want it printed out. You can do that on Canva. Print anything. Canva is showing print anything, discover a wide range of print products to suit your style. And they provide free delivery to your doorstep, and your order, when you order a print, Canva, plant a tree. That is a good mission. Amazing. So if you see, there's options here like a bag. These are banners, notebooks, all kinds, t-shirt, all kinds of print products you can use, you can do. And so let your creativity begin. Let your creativity begin and start creating your designs on Canva, and it's free. So if you like this little tutorial we're doing, hit like, give us a like, and subscribe. So let's move on. The marketing, there's gifts, there's stationery, there's clothing, there's cards and invites. As you can see also, there's templates you can use. Some are free and some are not. If you're a free account, it will be good enough for you as you start. Now, if you want more, they provide a paid account. So here you can see these are text that you can use. Banners, if you want banners. Let's see, we're in business, right? So let's do a banner. Let's see. Find out what is this banner can do for you. Or, so if you have this banner, and let's get started, all this can be, let me hide myself. This can be something you use for print. How do you print? Let's go to print banners right here. So if you click on this, it will give you the option to print your designs on quality banners, and there is the size. Select your page to print. So this is the sign, that the page that we want to print. You want a small size, medium, large. They have different sizes. And then material, what kind of material? You have two choices here. And how many? So this banner would cost $42.50. And the details, and let me move this again. So if you decide to continue, you continue, and it will ask you to do some changes if you have to, and just follow the checkout. And that's it. If you have something that you want to print out through Canva, they do that for you, and they provide free shipping. And also they plant a tree. Canva plants a tree when you order a print from Canva. That's amazing. So that's how it is about printing, but there's more to Canva. You can do presentations, you can do whiteboards, you can do social media posts for sure, you can do videos. So explore and let your creativity flow. Good luck. See you next time.